Sarah has become empowered in tackling her situation. She feels better. I can tell that she's energized. She's made friends that are also in her same situation, and I've learned a lot about scoliosis and how to battle.
It wasn't even a second thought. We wanted to try anything to make our daughter better and avoid surgery.
My mom and dad both looked into it a lot before coming.
I'm happy that I came to this camp, because if I wouldn't have, I'd probably be in a worse condition right now.
After one day of treatment, she was literally bouncing around, smiling like a totally different kid.
We were blown away by the improvement. She had a 14-degree correction in under 48 hours.
Improved by 11 degrees, so I was down to 48, and that was the most I've improved in my whole entire 2 years of trying things. So
it just, it gave me my kid back, so yeah, I'd absolutely recommend it.
There's nothing like that feeling of knowing you have the right people in your corner.